Is it recording?
Yeah, right here.
How you know it's recording?
Red dot.
Oh.
YouTube, you know what I'm saying?
I didn't even adjust the camera yet. Why is it so close?
Is it focused?
There's a ball in here.
Alright, go.
You're not even a hooper, bro.
I was hooping, nigga, all the time. But hey, what's up, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? We about to go to a car meet, you know what I'm saying? And shit, I might hit y'all up after we get to the meet or some shit. I don't know.
Type 1. How you turn off the button?
Button, my nigga.
Well, I think it's some.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm Glock 9 in this bitch.
What happened? Is that a car or is that a bullet?
That's a car, bruh. Fuck.
I already did a custom.
No, bro, they ain't gonna dip us out, though. I don't think so, bro. Hey, yo, I just got into this meet, bro. These niggas already. Hold on, let me vlog. Bro, ain't no way they taking everybody out right now. Bro, I just slide to the meet. That's y'all?
Yeah, they not
Bro, let's slide. Let's keep walking, bro. Hey, y'all, bro. Hey, they trying to get us out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just got to this meet and shit. Hold up. I just got to this meet and they trying to kick us out, bro. This shit is dead. I try to give y'all a good vlog and shit, bro. Bro, I think we different now. Bro, I ain't getting out one good picture or nothing, bro. This is, bro, bang. This is gonna be a trash ass vlog, bro. I got no pictures. That's what I'm saying, bro. The fuck? I can't even.
What's illegal about this?
Probably like too much sound. It probably like too much sound and that's probably about it. And niggas ain't fucking with it. That's really it.
Trespassing?
How? This is public. This is a public road, bro.
Where are you going?
Nowhere, bro. Wait, hold on. I don't even think I locked my car, bro. Wait, hold on. Slide. First of all, look how I parked. First of all, here, record me. I'm gonna repark.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
That's why they doing it.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That shit loud as fuck, boy. Captain Malord.
That shit was lit as fuck.
They still gotta try to flex his exhaust look. He gonna try to pop this shit. This a crash. It's like episode of Video.
Yo, hey, I just want to let y'all know that if this vlog really gonna be all over the place, you know what I'm saying? This not, I got no type of like construction to this vlog, you know what I'm saying? Cause this camera trash. Cause like as soon as we came in, they basically just kicked us out, you know what I'm saying? So I just watch the vlog, it's gonna end how it ends, and it is what it is. I know you fuck with the teeth though. Them bitches coming in white, you know what I'm saying? But hey, just keep watching the vlog. We gonna be right back at you.
You smell it? You smell it? I'm recording shit. Hold it. Fucking heavy. Oh shit.
Okay, bro, we might have to dip out, bro.
Everybody's leaving? Alright, go what?
Oh, they didn't hear them. I told you. Watch out, be careful.
I know I see it.
A lot of time, when this actually comes back.
So that says car.
Or they go like to a different location.
Yeah.
So I don't know where they're gonna go at. But yo,
Oh, they might go to a different location.
Let me see.
Oh, they might come back later.
They said you're honestly like black as fuck.
You can't see shit?
Hell no.
Oh shit. Fuck.
You gotta go to it that way. That nigga was like a damn shadow.
Let's go. Don't even know, man. If they don't look, if they ain't see us, we straight, bro.
They don't see us?
Yeah, like first of all, we park. Look how we park, bro. They don't even like that shit black and fuck. It ain't even customized. You
No, but we black.
I'm already black. I don't need no black on me.
black person. All right, guys, right here, you got a toast.
Parking spots.
Talk about it. You see, they ain't boot everybody out there. You see the blinking red light?
No.
Oh God.
Stop.
Oh shit. I was about to say that's my only footage, yo. Nigga, delete that, we over with.
Nigga dumb as fuck. You don't hold them niggas say record the police. Look, I can't even see shit on my camera.
Everybody just put an exhaust in these shit.
You know what's so crazy too? None of them bitches is fast, bruh. I was talking to them? Who? Oh yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, you have to ask nigga to have.
Yeah, but we gonna have to dip out, bruh. This nigga lost.
You said 50.
He lost the first gear.
Oh.
What the fuck is yo? Kathy's one of. If Kathy's not the smartest, she's bitch. Come on, bitch. How you in the back? Yeah, okay then.
I don't know.
I don't even know. What the fuck? Yeah.
This nigga recording traffic. We're gonna catch attention. We're gonna catch people attention because we got exhaust.
I probably got one of the loudest exhausts in this bitch in the cow.
Yeah, girl, I like you. She said, fuck you.
She said, "Fuck yeah, dumbass." If I drop the camera, you laugh.
Chill out.
Yeah?
Chill out. Don't do that.
Can you put your window a little higher?
We at the next meet.
Oh God. But this is low key kind of.
It's better because we got fucking lights anyway.
Yeah, so you could probably get some better.
Why they bring this little ass kid?
You know what? I want to go somewhere else. Like over there.
They said cut the music off so they don't draw attention.
Who said that?
The guy, you ain't see the music.
You did not hear all that.
Why you didn't hear the music go down?
Can't be funny.
I mean, you can't cut exhaust off. This is better not better part about Verizon.
Said Verizon.
That bitch said Verizon. What the fuck?
Let's get parked behind them.
Who said fucking Verizon? What is she talking about, bro? I don't know why this nigga did all that. Why they had to do this? Fuck. Hey, Ben, put the camera on me real quick. You heard this big ass bitch? That bitch said, put a light on this bitch. Hold on. Put a light on the big ass bitch. What that bitch said?
Are you a vlogger? Are you a camera guy?
Oh shit, I got
Final one.
I just got here.
Heartbeat number 2.
Man, record right quick. Yo, this is our second car meet, bro. And we don't see no cars.
12 already.
Boy, it's such your ugly ass up. No, okay, the return. Oh, that be kind of photo on the low shit.
What's that?
It's a Civic SR thing. It's like a 2008 type shit. I think I know Jit that was over there.
The white car?
Yeah, I think. I might be wrong.
Nigga said you.
Yo. Look, I pull up on his ass. I'm gonna pull up on him like, yo, what's up? He be like, nigga, I don't know your ass, nigga. The fuck?
Niggas all looks the same.
I think I'm the only hood nigga in this bitch. Y'all think so?
Nah.
Ooh, look, you see that? You see that white shit? That white Dodge?
That shit loud. Oh.
So where we going? Where do I just follow these niggas or what?
No, they said final warning, my god.
I think I should follow them.
Oh my god, this is about to go to jail.
Arrest me for what?
Go to somebody's house.
This is somebody else.
Wait, why they not letting people do it?
That's some hate nigga shit, bro. That's
Yeah, and there's sometimes people be killing somebody for this.
But who the fuck killing niggas over that shit, bro?
Say,
The fuck?
But they take it out of spirit.
Oh shit, black guy killed dead cause a car meet.
The fuck? Bitch, I ain't never heard that shit. Damn, but them bitches.
See, black.
Bro, who the fuck was that?
that shit loud as fuck.
I wish this was like savage shit. They just pop the tires onto it.
I seen a couple. I know a couple niggas that was driving, bro. Bro, I'm gonna slide, bro. Look at that shit, that blue shit.
That blue shit hard.
Blue shit clean, bro.
Okay, yeah. We doing all that fucking flaring gunning and shit, G. My shit fucking regular.
Is public still open?
Nah, they closed.
Lily's recording.
Nah,
That's what you supposed to do.
Talk about
Look at them
that.
Publix workers over there, bro.
They didn't go home yet?
Ugly. They watching the thing, boy.
Okay.
I should give these niggas a little exhaust clip.
Yeah.
So where we going?
Imagine they went back.
What you mean?
Back to the house.
I'm following these niggas.
Huh?
Yeah.
Not too far though.
This shit just wasting
Nah,
this
it depends.
gas.
It depends. Man, I think I got a full tank.
As he goes home, there's a follow.
This supposed to last me a week. Ah, you what you said? Yeah. Nigga said, imagine these niggas go to the crib. What the fuck? They looking at me like I'm retarded. What the fuck this nigga going?